Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new on this channel, of course, my name is Wanjari Mwangi. I create content basically on beauty, lifestyle, and vlogs, and about me. Just anything that I feel like I want to share with you guys is what I'll put out. Remember, what I feel like I want to share. Anyway, so today's video I'm going to be showing you, as you can see the heading already, I'm gonna be showing you how I DIY my protein treatment to aid in my healthy hair, because like healthy hair is really important. So I cut my hair late last year, so I chopped off my relaxed hair. Of course, I haven't finished chopping it off. I'm still in the process of cutting it, but I cut most of it late last year. So I've been embarking on the natural hair journey, loving it. So I started a 6 month challenge where I'm not going to use heat on my hair for 6 months. So I want to see how that will go and how I'll be able to manage my hair. So this video, I'm going to be showing you how I DIY my protein treatment, how I'm going to apply it on my hair. Okay, basically it's just a wash day routine. So how I wash my hair and how I style it, because this is how I'm gonna stay for the next week until I'm able to go and braid my hair next week. So yeah, also I know I've taken quite the break, but I really needed it so that I can also re-strategize for the year and know what content to put out there. I won't promise a video every week, but I'll try my best to put out content as much as possible. But I also want to put out meaningful content, because I just don't want to post content for you guys. I want to put out interesting content. So yeah, I'm going to try as much as possible to shoot as many videos as possible. I've shot a couple, so probably I'll release them as we go by. But of course, there are times that I've used like Happy New Year, and probably you'll see the video in February. So don't take it personally. I just felt that it was not right. I was not in the right space to actually enter the social media space at that time. But I shot content. I was hoping to upload it, but I was not ready yet. So I'm going to upload that. So maybe you'll hear terms like Happy New Year, yeah, things like that, and probably when Feb. So don't come at me, guys, please. Anyway, if you've not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. I won't talk further, and hope you enjoy the video. I'll see you on the other end. So as you can see from the video, the ingredients you're gonna use is half an avocado, you're gonna need natural yogurt, you're gonna need an egg, you're gonna need olive oil or whatever oil you use on your head. I prefer olive oil. And then for me, I added coconut milk. So yeah, you can just decide to do that. What you really need is an avocado, an egg, natural yogurt, and an oil. For me, the coconut milk was just an extra. So yeah, then once I'm done with that, I'm going to blend it, and then I put that in my container that I used to just put my oils, yeah, and things like that. So that's what I'm doing, and you can see the consistency. I want it a bit thick so that I can easily apply that on my hair. So what I'm doing here, I'm sectioning out my hair. So as I had mentioned earlier, there are still parts of my hair that are still relaxed, but no pressure with that. Yeah, I just got to a point and felt like, oh no, I still have relaxed hair, my hair is short. So yeah, the pressure was real. So finished applying that on my hair. What I was showing you is the breakage. The breakage is so minimal, like not a lot of my hair, and most of the parts that were actually breaking were part of my relaxed hair. So once I'm done with that, I'm putting cling foil just to ensure that the products are fully absorbed into my hair, fully kabisa. So yeah, I'm just going to use that so that my hair can absorb those nutrients overnight. So that's why I preferred using a cling foil. Yeah, so I used quite a number of rounds because remember, I'm sleeping in this and I didn't want it to be messy I didn't want it to be messy like on my pillows and on my sheets overnight. So I wrapped quite some of the cling foil on my hair. Then once I'm done, I put my shower cape, and then after putting my shower cape, I'm going to go in. Like, I just did the most at this point. I was just doing the most because I was like, I do not want any of these products on my pillows overnight. So I know I was just being a little bit extra, but I couldn't stand any product on my pillow. So yeah, I just was doing the most. At the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want and we lose it. So once I was done with that, I still put my bonnet. Also, not a paid ad, but I want to shout out my best friend. You can check out her page on Instagram. It's called Ziv Accessories. She is the one who actually sells the bonnets, so you can check that out. So this is me the next morning. I'm removing, and honestly guys, there was no product that was on my pillow. My clothes, my bonnet, my kitamba, all of them were still intact. So yeah, the cling foil really did a good job in maintaining it. But at this point, my hair was stinking, guys. My hair was really stinking. I just needed to just massage through to ensure all the product was in. Then I went in with my shampoo from Mikala. So yeah, so this is me. Of course, my hair may shrink like crazy. So I did some cutting also today. So I cut some part of my hair, and then now I was just using the leave-in conditioner from Mikala. Also, I really love their products because they're affordable, yeah, and they pretty much work well for my hair, so I don't have a complaint with them. Yeah, I don't mind using their products at any one point. So I'm just going in with the leave-in conditioner, and then I'm going to oil my hair. So I'm mixing my oil. So here I'm going in with the olive oil. Then I'm going to use my castor oil. After my castor oil, I'm going to go in. I was trying to remove the coconut oil, but I hadn't melted it out. So I was like, I can't melt it out now. So I just did away with that. So I'm just going to oil my hair in order for me to be able to style it. I'm just dividing my hair into two, I guess. Pacing back and forth. I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want and we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. So I'm just oiling. I'm going in with my oil right now, and then just dividing my hair into sections so that I can be able to style it. Nowhere left to run. Trying to bide our time. We know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Swear me So I'm just going to like braid it out, and I think at this point I was just so unable to do it on camera. I needed to like sit in front of like a bigger mirror. So so I decided to go and style my hair off camera. You'll see that in a bit. I was not clearly seeing, so I came back. So this is what I wanted to show you here. So for my edges, I use a different type of oil. So I mix Jamaican black castor oil and virgin fertilizer. I mix those two oils for my hairline because my hairline was literally going through the most, and these oils have really helped me slowly recover my hair. I'm not yet there, but my edges are really coming back. And guys, don't do something just 2 weeks, oh my hair is not growing. You really need to be consistent with it. And then also another hack, like you don't have to buy the Jamaican black castor that's usually 1,000 bob. That's just crazy. It's a small bottle and you end up spending so much for such a small bottle. So for me, I found a shop at Jamia Mall. They sell organic stuff. I can't remember, but they sell organic stuff. So I purchased my bottle. That's I think 100 ml for 500 bob. And for me, that's a win because I don't have to spend so much, and like it's giving me the same value. Because the other bottles I think are 1080, 1,000 and something. So yeah, I want good hair, but I'm also not willing to spend that much money. So I just use that on my edges. I do that every day, in the evening or in the morning when I remember. So I try and just be consistent every day, and I've really seen it work wonders on my edges. They're not yet there, but they're slowly coming together. So guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it and you can try it by yourself, guys. So until next time, if you've not subscribed, guys, please remember to subscribe. Bye bye.